We'll have a few questions. We have my colleagues on either side with microphones. Please announce your name and your media outlet if you have any questions. We're going to be quick because we have other programming going on in real time. We'll go here first.
Oh, thank you. Hi, everybody. Samantha Chapman, ABC7 Chicago. You just unveiled a comprehensive outline of the independent report. Can you summarize for our viewers, because there's a lot to take in, a lot of information. So in summary, can you succinctly tell us what we can take away from this report? And also, if you can provide more details about the neck.
Yeah.
I heard a lot of people behind me.
Pendulum. Was Nolen Xavier murdered? Girl, Katie have anything to do with Nolen Xavier's murder? Find the truth out about what actually happened to him. So, I already did a reading with the tarot cards. I pulled tarot cards, and the Justice card did come out. The Sun card came out, and Victory came out. So, I feel like there will be some type of justice served. How long it's going to take, I'm not sure. However, the cards did indicate that there is a possibility that it could have been a physical altercation. He possibly was struck with a blunt object, possibly, allegedly. Um, if not that, something along those lines. Maybe he hit his head or something if he fell. What else? The cards did speak of a confession. Um, Somebody is in strife, uh, or is experiencing strife. Somebody out of the whole group, let's say it's